Yay. So I just put together my very first circuit with this little breadboard thing that I've been dying to learn. So if you'd like to learn with me, here we go. There's 5 volts and there's ground. And I've connected them to 5 volts and ground. And then I connected this LED and a resistor to try to light this LED. And all I had to do was plug this in to the computer and it lit my LED. And the lesson here that I was going by had me switch to 3 different resistors. One 220 ohms, 1,000 ohms, and this one that's in here now is a 10,000 ohms. And what it does, it resists, as the name suggests, the electricity that's going to your LED. So what it does, it lets it shine as much as it illuminates as much as electricity is going through it, shall I say. So if you use a 220 ohm resistor, you're going to resist less and your LED will be brighter. So this is a way to control the brightness of your LED, which is so cool. So this was my first awesome little learning experience, and I can't wait to do more.